Sigil Magick is a powerful, intuitive method to manifest your intentions into reality by transforming thoughts or desires into a symbol that resonates with you. Whether you seek to focus your will or access the deeper layers of your subconscious, sigils are versatile tools for modern practitioners. Here's a comprehensive guide on creating, charging, and using your own sigil. A sigil is a unique symbol that represents a specific intention, charged with the will of its creator. Unlike symbols with universal meanings, a sigil is personal, holding significance only for the person who created it. The practice of sigil creation has evolved from traditional occult methods into a personalized form of magic, popularized by figures like Austin Osman Spare in the 19th century, who emphasized using sigils to influence the unconscious mind rather than invoking external entities. Sigils are often associated with chaos magic, a form of magic that is experimental, adaptable, and deeply personal. Chaos magic posits that reality is shaped by the mind, and by harnessing the unconscious, practitioners can achieve their desired outcomes. Unlike ceremonial magic, chaos magic is less reliant on complex rituals and tools, focusing instead on the practitioner's belief in their own power. One, define your intention. Be specific and phrase your intention as if it has already been achieved. Use positive language and avoid terms that imply lack or negativity. For example, instead of "I want to be successful," use "I am successful." 2. Convert your intention into a symbol. Write your statement of intent in capital letters. Remove all vowels and duplicate consonants. For example, "I am successful" becomes MSCFL. 3. Design your sigil. Combine the remaining letters into a single, cohesive symbol. Play with shapes, lines, and curves until you create a symbol that resonates with you. Feel free to add decorative elements or use digital tools like PowerPoint or Paint for more complex designs. A sigil remains a mere drawing until you charge it with your intention. To do this, you need to enter a state of gnosis, an altered state of consciousness where the conscious mind is subdued, allowing the subconscious to take over. Methods to achieve gnosis. Physical activity. Engage in intense exercise, dance, or any activity that raises your heartbeat. At the peak of this activity, focus on your sigil, visualizing it pulsing with energy. Emotional intensity. Recall a moment of extreme joy or excitement, channeling that energy into your sigil. Meditation. Enter a deep meditative state, focusing on your breath. When your mind is clear, visualize your intention as already achieved, and pour that energy into your sigil. After charging, the most critical step is to release the sigil by destroying it. This act symbolizes releasing your intention into the universe. You can burn it, tear it, bury it, or let natural elements like water carry it away. The final, and often hardest step, is to forget about the sigil. By consciously letting go, you allow your subconscious to work without interference from doubt or impatience. Surrounding your sigil. Enhance your sigil's power by encircling it with symbols, such as circles, for protection and focus, triangles, for manifestation or grounding, or squares, for stability and energy storage. Elemental and planetary correspondences. Align your sigil with elemental forces, earth, air, fire, water, spirit, or planetary energies, sun for success, moon for intuition, etc., to amplify its effectiveness. Incorporating sigils into daily life. Use sigils in jewelry, home decor, or digital art to maintain a constant flow of energy. Combine sigils with other magical practices, like candle or herbal magic, for layered rituals. Always consider the ethical implications of your sigil magic. The principle of return suggests that the energy you send out will come back to you. Ensure your intentions align with the highest good and do not infringe on the free will of others. Sigil magic is a profound way to connect with your subconscious and manifest your desires. While the process may seem simple, it taps into deep, unseen forces. By creating, charging, and releasing your sigil with focused intention, you can harness the power of your mind to bring about real change in your life. For more details on this topic, check out the corresponding article on our website. You can find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.